from the top of my dome, aka the brain, the noggin. I keep your fucking heads nodding. Up and down like wild sex in the passionate sex. You get wet from the bomb flows that I reflect. No disrespect, but I bet that my erect dialect put chicken heads in check with all the shit that I inject. It's like Ebola, contagious to the last degree. I spread my verbal germs on you and all your fucking family.
I slide up in the piece like kamikaze, going to war, setting rappers up like blind dates, hard to the core. Q-War be running circles around these tracks like thoroughbreds. Thoroughhead be recognizing this shit like the feds. My raps collapse and paralyze your whole squad. And word to God, I stick to my guns like DeMar. Terror like fabulous, superstar vocabulary.
Q-Wall and Kirk